Don't need no regulator. Hey guys, what's up? It's Megan and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about my New Year's resolutions for 2018. So this is actually my first video of the new year, so welcome to my channel. I took a little bit of a YouTube break just to kind of like regroup, reset, make some goals for this year, decide where I wanted to go with my channel in 2018. But I did upload 2 vlogs on my vlog channel, so I'm gonna have those linked down below if you guys want to go check them out, see where I've been since I've last posted. I feel like 2017 was like a really like pivotal moment for my channel. If you guys look at my videos for like the first half of the year, they're completely different than like my last half, like from June to December. My videos are completely like a different style. I'm just really excited for my channel in 2018 and everything I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going to college in the fall, so I'm going to have a new filming space. But I'm just really excited for 2018 and for our little family to grow. But anyways, that was quite a bit of rambling for this intro. So let's go ahead and get on into the actual resolutions for 2018. So first off, starting with a pretty generic, obvious one, but I want to get more in shape. I overall kind of want to take better care of my body, so I want to eat healthier. I mean, I just ate like 8 Oreos, but you need a nice like cheat every once in a while to keep yourself sane. It's fine. I also want to make sure that I'm working out or doing something active like 5 times a week, because I find myself just like coming home and like taking a nap and then not leaving my bed after that. So I just signed up for Pure Barre. My mom and I have been doing that. We did every day last week and it was awesome. I love it so much. It's super focused on like toning your body and like strengthening your muscles instead of like getting really big and bulky. You are using weights, but they're super light. I think the heaviest weight that I've used is 2 pounds, and then I mainly just use the resistance of my own body weight to do all the exercises, and I just have really been liking it. The classes are like only 50 minutes long, which is really nice, so it's really easy to fit into my day. There's also a new spin studio near my house. I think I'm gonna try to start doing like spin classes every once in a while, so I'm really excited about that. Another little weird thing is I need to get better at like taking off my makeup before I go to bed. I did it last night. I fell asleep in my mom's room watching TV, and then I woke up, and then instead of going and taking off my makeup before going to sleep, I just came right into my room and I passed out. So I need to be better at like taking my makeup off, washing my face, taking better care of my skin. Near the end of December, I kind of got a good skincare routine down. I think my next video is actually going to be a skincare routine video, but I want to just like focus on just being nicer to my body. Another thing that I want to do is get off of my phone more. I'm always on my phone, and to a certain extent I kind of understand it because social media like is in a way my job. But it gets to a point where it's just like mindless scrolling, and I'm on Twitter looking at the same 20 tweets for an hour and a half. It's a problem, I'll be the first to admit it. So I do want to like learn to put my phone down, leave it in the other room, get out of the house. I won't just like be like consumed in what is going on the internet at all times. Another one of my resolutions is to check off 5 things from my bucket list this year. Last Sunday, I drove up to Orlando and I went to my first Disney audition. I've always wanted to audition for Disney, to work at Disney, so I auditioned. I did get cut pretty early on in the audition, but it still was super fun. I made some really awesome friends and it was a really fun experience, so I'm gonna go back up and do a few more, but that was one thing that I checked off. Last night, my mom and I booked a trip to Barcelona, London, and Paris for spring break, and I have always wanted to go to Paris like since I was in 4th grade. And then recently I've been like obsessed with Barcelona and then London, so that's another thing I'm gonna be checking off my bucket list this year, so I'm really excited for those. I thought this would be like a fun way to like challenge myself to do things that I've always wanted to do, kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit. Another thing I want to get better at is staying organized. I've had my fair share of anxiety, and being as unorganized as I am definitely doesn't help me. My room was literally clean yesterday, and then I did a load of laundry and I never put it away, and now there's clothes all over my floor. My car is never clean. My backpack is always like full of like crumpled up papers, and I feel like I'm always just like losing things, and it really just like doesn't help me out. It's not doing anything for me, so that's something I want to get better at this year. In 2017, I really got good at writing stuff down in a planner and keeping like a to-do list of things to get done. So that really helped me to like kind of organize my thoughts better, but now I feel like I need to organize my environment better just so I can be like more productive and all of that stuff. And my last resolution for 2018 is just to be more positive. So I've tried to film this video like 5 times, but I can never like get my thoughts together, but I think I finally figured out like how to put this into words. One thing I find myself doing is like dwelling on the little things that happen. Little like inconvenient things can happen to me, and I will let them like affect my whole day and just my whole mood. I go to school for only 4 hours a day, and I am a senior in high school. This is my like second semester, so in a way I almost feel like I'm like wasting time. I'm like, okay, I just like want to get out, I want to move on. So the fact that I'm even like at school for those 4 hours really just like annoys me and like puts me in a bad mood. So I'll come home fully intending on like filming a video, and then I'm just like not in a good mood, and because I'm not in a good mood I don't want to film, and it like just affects my whole day. So I want to like learn to just have a better perspective on things. Another thing that I do is I set like really high expectations, or like kind of expect something to go a certain way, and it's like very specific how I want something to go, and when it doesn't go that way I get really upset and annoyed, and I like just can't be happy with the situation that I'm in. Basically, if things aren't going how I expect them to go, I see them as going badly, even though they could be like perfectly fine and awesome. For example, like I said, I'm a senior in high school. I'm almost out of high school. I didn't like high school. I had amazing friends and I made amazing memories. I just really like didn't like it. My school kind of annoyed me, really annoyed me. We won't get into that now because I'm still a student there, but I just didn't like it. And then now, after leaving there, I'm going to college. In the back of my mind, I always kind of hoped that I would be able to do YouTube as a full-time job when I graduated high school, so I would not have to go to college, or like maybe not go to college yet, and I could move out and like maybe get my own apartment, whether it's here in Florida or LA or wherever, just kind of have like my own space, and then be able to do YouTube full-time and like go to all these fun YouTube events and like connect with the YouTube community, and just really focus on that as being like my main job, like main thing. Like full-time YouTube would be like what I was doing. Now I couldn't have YouTube as a full-time job. I don't make enough to do it full-time and like not go to school. The past few months have been really difficult for me because I'm just kind of like, I failed, I don't want to go to college, this isn't what I wanted, whatever. I was kind of thinking about it with my mom yesterday and realized that like I'm excited for college. Like I'm excited for the memories I'm gonna make. I'm gonna have so many awesome friends. I'm gonna be living 20 minutes from Disney World. I mean, come on, you guys know I love Disney, so that's really fun, and it's gonna be, I think it's really gonna be a fun time for me. I found a super cute apartment, and it's really gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. But I think just because I was so like focused on the fact that I didn't get to do YouTube right off the bat, that I felt like I didn't want to go to college, and I was upset about college because I like haven't made it big as a YouTuber yet. I felt like I wasn't successful, but over these past few weeks I've kind of taken a step back and really started to look at it and realize how happy that I am like with what I'm making. Like I love you guys. You guys are awesome. I've gotten to do so many amazing things. I've made so many amazing friends. I've worked with awesome brands. I've met just amazing people. Gotten to go to parties and events. I love just making content. Like sometimes it's stressful to have to film a video and edit it and get it uploaded. I love it. Like I love it. And just like stop comparing myself to other people. Just because I don't have 1 million subscribers at the age of 18 doesn't mean that I'm not successful in my own means, because everybody's life is different. God has a different plan for everybody. Because right now in this moment, like right out of high school, YouTube can't be my full-time job. Doesn't mean it never will be. I don't know if this made much sense. It's really hard to kind of explain this and put it into words. Basically, I just want to like be better at recognizing that just because something doesn't go exactly how I'd hoped, or something doesn't happen exactly when I wanted it to happen or like hoped it would happen, it doesn't mean that the other things I'm doing are bad or like I should be disappointed in. Yeah, overall I just want to have a more positive outlook on things, on life, because I think that'll just make me a happier person, a more successful person. So yeah, and those are all of my resolutions for 2018. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment down below what some of your resolutions are so we can motivate each other in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the arrow button down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, turn on my notifications, follow me on all my social media accounts, all that fun stuff. And I think that is everything for this video. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Thank you for all the support you guys gave me in 2017. I'm so excited for 2018. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!